Unlock the full potential of your Real Geeks website and transform it into a client-attracting powerhouse with this comprehensive editor guide. Let's dive right into customizing your online presence once you've logged into your Real Geeks account. Navigate to your website's dashboard from here. You'll find the Website Editor option. This is your command center. First, updating text and images is a breeze. Look for the pencil icon or a direct click on the text area you wish to modify. Simply click, type your new content, and hit Save for images. Hover over the existing one, and you'll see an option to upload or select a new image from your library. Remember to compress your images for faster loading times. Ready to change things up? The layout customization tools allow you to rearrange sections, add new content blocks, and even change column structures. Think of it as building with digital Legos. Drag and drop elements to create a visually appealing flow that guides your visitors effectively. A professional online presence means a flawless experience on any device within the editor. You'll find specific tools to preview and optimize your site for mobile. Make sure your buttons are tappable, your text is readable, and your images display beautifully on smaller screens. This is crucial for capturing leads on the go. By mastering these simple steps, you're not just editing a website. You're crafting an engaging platform that converts visitors into valuable clients. Go forth and create your dream real estate website.